Okay, this is Mr. Benson, and I'm going to, in this short video, show you how to take an assignment from Schoology, move it to Notability, work on it, and then submit it back to Schoology. So you can see here that there is an assignment called Geometry Worksheet in this geometry course, and I'm going to select it. And if you hit View Attachments, it says Classifying Angles. And if you look at the top right of my screen, there's a arrow out key, and that will allow you to export this assignment. So I'm going to click on it, and I open it up. It's a PDF file, and I'm going to hit the arrow out. And when I hit arrow out, Notability should be one of your choices. If you don't see it, you can go over, scroll over and hit the More button, and then it should show up. And so I'm going to select Notability, and I'm going to create a new note. And then I'm at the top right, it says Import. I'm going to hit Import, and it'll say one file sent to Notability, done. And that's what I want. So now I'm going to leave Schoology, and I'm going to go to my Notability app, and my file should be there. And there it is, Classifying Angles. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to pick a pen color that I like and start working on it, classifying my angles. This one's obtuse. This one is acute. This one looks like a right angle, but really it could be like 91 degrees. We don't know. So I don't like this worksheet, but we're going to say right angle and assume we know that it's 90 degrees. And you'll finish the worksheet. Once you're done with it, you're going to want to turn it back into Schoology. Now you may work on it a couple different times, so it doesn't have to be turned in right that minute. But if I click on Classifying Angles, open it up, and then in the top left is the arrow out for your Notability. So I'm going to click on that. Notice that the choices I have are not, Schoology is not listed, but at the very bottom it says Other Apps, and I can click on Other Apps, and then there's some choices here about format. You want to use a PDF format for your work almost always, and so this format PDF, make sure that's selected. If it's not, you can check and you can do a note, an image. So we're going to use a PDF. It's preferable, for at least for my classes, that if you send a PDF file versus an image file. Then you're going to hit Share Note at the bottom. And when you hit Share Note, there should be some choices of where to send your document. And I don't see Schoology, but again, go over to the three dots that says More, and if you click on that and scroll down the list of all the places you can send it, you should see a copy to Schoology. So I'm going to hit Copy to Schoology, and then it's going to ask you probably won't, your screen won't look exactly like mine, but you will have Submit to Assignment. So I'm going to select Submit to Assignment. These are the classes Mr. Benson is enrolled in, so that's what it's looking at here. I can't submit to the geometry course where we pulled this assignment from, because it's I'm not a student and I'm the teacher. But you would pick whatever course you were working on. So let's say this orange one on the top that says Humboldt U was geometry. I would pick that, and it would pull up all the assignment submissions that you had listed there, and you would pick the assignment that you needed to submit it to. Make sure it's the correct assignment place. Of course, I don't have any assignments in this particular class, so it's saying it doesn't have anything where I can submit to. So that's what you would do then. You would select that course, select the correct assignment, and submit.